Most people get this wrong. They think all AI image generators produce similar results, but DAO2 offers some unique features that make it stand out. Today, I'm sharing my usage experience so you know what to expect. DAO2 is an AI tool that generates images from text prompts. You type a description like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and it produces high-quality visuals in seconds. One of the biggest advantages is the level of detail and creativity. It often generates images that look professionally rendered, which is impressive for an AI tool. The interface is simple. You enter your prompt, choose the style or aspect ratio, and generate multiple variations. You can also edit images, like changing parts of the scene or adding new objects, which makes it very versatile for creators. A surprising truth about DAO2 is that the quality depends heavily on the prompt. Vague prompts may produce generic results, while detailed prompts give much more realistic and creative outputs. Also, usage credits are limited on free tiers, so planning your projects efficiently is key. On the downside, some generated images may look slightly unnatural, and complex scenes can produce strange distortions. It's not perfect, but for concept art, marketing visuals, or experimentation, it's a powerful tool. In conclusion, DAO2 is a great AI image generator for creators looking for high-quality, imaginative visuals. With detailed prompts and some experimentation, you can produce professional-looking images in minutes. Subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tips on getting the best results from AI creative platforms.